Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today's lesson is going to be a drum breakdown. This is based on the fact that this previous video of mine, breaking down this Gino Vanelli song, is one of the biggest videos on my channel, so I said, let's continue with this idea of doing a drum breakdown of a particular song. So today we're hopping on the Chad Smith 30 Seconds to Mars train, and we are going to be breaking down The Kill by 30 Seconds to Mars. So that's coming up next. Before we get started today, if you'd like to download the drum notation that you're going to see throughout this lesson, you can just click the link in the description of this video to download that PDF completely for free. So go ahead and do that if you'd like to print it off and follow along at home. All right, so the way we're going to do this, I'm just going to be playing the song on my phone, and we're just going to listen through, and each chunk of the song I'm just going to stop, analyze what's happening, and demonstrate the drum parts. So I have worked through this song with a few of my private students, so I'm pretty familiar with the drum parts by now, but I haven't done a super detailed breakdown. So here we go. Let's just jump in right at the start. Just give this a listen. So nice little fade in here.
What if I wanted to break? Laugh it all off in your face.
Okay, so right away our time signature is 6/8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got that snare backbeat on 4. We just have steady eighth notes going on the hi-hat and that syncopated kick drum rhythm. Doon 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 ka. So you're doing 2 kicks, and then you've got the other 2 kicks are going to be off beat of the hi-hat. So you can add in those open hi-hats and the ghost notes sort of to taste. So here we go. Let's keep listening.
What would you do?
Simple drum fill. And then the bass comes in. I love that. I love bass, guys. In my dreams, I'm an amazing bass player. that's an instrument I love. It adds so much energy to the song when it comes in. Take a listen.
What if I fell to the floor?
Ooh, fancy hi-hats.
This anymore? What would you do?
All right, really cool stuff happening here. Hear how he adds more hi-hats. Shannon Lido adds more hi-hats there. You can play those as single strokes or doubles. Okay, it's just tricky to get that lined up with the kick pattern, so be patient with that. And then leading into the chorus, hear how he opens the hi-hats? That's such a pro move. That is a really good technique. You want to just add to your drumming just habits. You should do this all the time to build energy to a new section within the song. Just open those hi-hats. And we've got the big 30-second note fill right there at the end. What would you... Just a big single stroke roll. Just a powerful drum fill taking us into the chorus. So now let's take a listen to the chorus groove. So this is the big thing I point out to my students learning this song is notice how the groove, it's essentially the same, but the first measure each time has a double snare backbeat. So instead of just being, it's, so you got that double snare. And this is kind of, I describe this as like a loose rock feel, meaning there's a lot of freedom and space within this song to play a slightly busier style of drumming. You don't need to do an exact kick part every single time, but let's take a listen and I'll just kind of show you the main pattern.
Break me down.
So you got the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can kind of ad-lib a drum fill, you know, every 2 bars or every 4 bars, and then here's the ending of the chorus. So, to stop. So you got to get that break right there. Hear how it cuts off? Really, really cool. Sets you up for the verse again, for verse 2.
What if I wanted to fight?
Now I've got this cool delay guitar thing. Adds a new layer to the verse, but we're just still in with the same groove.
Beg for the rest of my life. What would you do? You say
That's that drum fill right there. Okay, and then the vocals start to pick up here, and the drummer, he matches that energy
you wanted more. What are you waiting for?
with open hi-hats. So and he's also throwing in some extra kick drums. So again, that comes back to that loose rock feel. It's just a busier style of drumming. It's really, really fun to play.
I'm not running from you.
So same drum fill. Huge, powerful fill. Did you hear how the bass does octaves there? Do 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 do. Very cool technique there. Just adding some energy, building some tension into the chorus. So we're just slamming away there. Okay, back to the chorus. So we've got a slightly different groove here going into the bridge. Da 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 ga dum, do 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 ga dum. Slightly different kick pattern. Really, the main difference there is you have a kick note immediately following the snare backbeat. Zoom doom 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 ga doom 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 ga That little walk up. Bum, 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 bum. You're just basically filling in between those hits. Okay, and then it kind of has the same syncopation as the chorus. The ending of the chorus. Ooh, that part's cool. So a tom beat. And then ending with 3 crash cymbal hits. That's a cool effect. 1, 2, 3, shake it, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, shake it. I love this whole breakdown part. So cool. 1, 2, 3. So you're pausing for a bar and a half there every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This part goes into the toms. So it's like a 1 bar tom phrase, and then it ends on the offbeat. 1, 2, 3, zat, and then we have a 1 bar pause. No, 2 bars. That guitar part is really neat. You hear it by itself. It sounds like, oh man, we switched back to 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's this really cool polyrhythmic feel against the main drum part. All right, let's play that breakdown section, and then I think we're basically home free to the end here, because we're just gonna do like 2 more choruses, and that's the end of the song. So let's play out here and see. All right, here come the toms. Da, 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 da. All right, so we keep playing here. All right, so it's basically just a tag, a little outro. We just keep slamming away on that chorus groove. Okay, and then we hit the downbeat here towards the end, and then it just has a little fade out. That guitar part is so cool. I like how it ends on the offbeat. Do 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 da, do 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 da. That's the end of the song. So cool. All right, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button, turn on notifications, subscribe to my channel, and click the link in the description of the video if you'd like to download the free drum notation for this lesson. Also, be sure to comment if there is a song that you would like to see me do a drum breakdown for. So, all right, take care, guys, and I will see you in the next lesson.